In this video, I will show you how to sideload third-party apps APK that are not on the App Store into your Xiaomi TV box. Now over here, I have the Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen with Google TV, but this tutorial should also work even if you have the Xiaomi TV Box with an Android TV. And first things first, you want to make sure that your Xiaomi TV box is actually connected to the internet. If you scroll over to the settings icon over here on my Xiaomi TV box and then to the Wi-Fi settings, you can literally see from over here that it is currently connected to my hotspot. So make sure that your Xiaomi TV box is currently connected to a Wi-Fi or a hotspot network. And then the next thing you want to do is to head over to the App Store of your Xiaomi TV box. If you're using the Xiaomi TV box with an Android TV, just go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. But if you're using the Xiaomi TV box with Google TV 2nd Gen, go over to the Apps tab, then scroll down to this search bar over here, and then go ahead and search and download the app known as Downloader. And once you search for Downloader, it is going to give you some of the results for Downloader from the Google Play Store of your Xiaomi TV box. Now just go ahead and make sure you download and install this Downloader app by AFTV News. You can literally see over here, mine is already downloaded and installed. And once you're done downloading and installing this app, before you go ahead to open it up, come back to the home of your Xiaomi TV box and then just head over to the settings icon, usually at the top right corner of the Xiaomi TV box. Click on the settings icon. And from here, you want to scroll down to the apps settings over here. Click on app settings and then scroll down again and then click on the security and restriction settings over here. Now from here, you want to make sure you click on unknown sources and make sure that you turn on this unknown sources restriction for the Downloader app we just downloaded and installed into our Xiaomi TV box. Now once you're done, you can now go ahead and open up the Downloader app. So come back to the home and then locate the Downloader app you actually downloaded and installed initially. Now once the app is opened, we can now use the Downloader app to sideload other third-party apps APK into our Xiaomi TV box. There are several ways you can do this, one of which you can just go ahead and enter the downloader code and you'll be automatically redirected to that particular website. However, I personally prefer to use the browser tab of the downloader app, so you can just come over to the browser tab, scroll over to the top search bar over here, and then you want to go ahead and search for the particular app APK you want to sideload and install into your Xiaomi TV box that is not on the Google Play Store. Take for instance, we can now go ahead and search for the Facebook app APK from over here, and then you just want to go ahead and click on the enter button over here. Click on go, and automatically the downloader browser will give you some of the Google search results where you can actually get the app APK you want to download and install into your Xiaomi TV box. You can literally see some of the websites over here. Personally, I would recommend you go ahead and click on the most reliable websites you can actually get that particular app APK. In my case, since I am downloading and installing the Facebook app APK, I'll just go ahead and click on the official Facebook website, which is basically this link over here. So I'll go ahead and select it just like so. And automatically I'll be redirected to the official Facebook page where I can get that particular APK. Now you just want to go ahead and scroll over to the top and then click on download APK. Now give it a minute or two for that particular app APK to fully download, and automatically you just want to go ahead and click on the install button over here, and that particular APK will be installed into your Xiaomi TV box. Now you can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the open button. And just like so, we now have the Facebook app APK running smoothly on our Xiaomi TV box, even though it is not on the Google Play Store. So you can go ahead and do this for any app APK you want to download that is not on the Google Play Store, but you want it on your Xiaomi TV box. And finally, to open up the app again from the home of your Xiaomi TV box, majority of the time you may not find it over here from this list of apps. Sometimes you find it, but sometimes you don't. But if you do not find it, you want to scroll over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your Xiaomi TV box, click on it, and then you just want to scroll down to where you have apps, and then scroll down and click on see all apps. And from here, you should be able to find that particular app APK you just downloaded and installed into your Xiaomi TV box. You can scroll down and then just find it from this list of apps over here on your Xiaomi TV box. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.